White noise, I can't control it. I know there's nothing to it. Will things stay the same?
I'm seeing all these noise, white noise, I can't cut through it. No, oh, white noise, I can't cut through it. No, oh, I don't wanna put you in the mood that you won't leave. I wish I knew what to do that you don't do with me. Maybe there's a world for you and me to go and see, but it's hopeless. We keep choking, am I just a nuisance? Words can get annoying. Sweet nothings in your ear, they're not important. Such a tourist, hard-headed, headed home. I'd rather be at odds than ever